Hello everyone, this is Fiona from Ether. Welcome to Jiangsu New Heyi. The company is specialized in hydraulic piston rod with 16 years experience on research and machining technology. Hydraulic cylinder piston rods are also supplied as OEM parts for many large and medium enterprises such as Heyi Forklift, Hangzhou Forklift, and Sanyi Heavy Industry Company. This is our industry. Our products are mainly used in mine, textile, printing machinery industry, and so on. Now we can see here is our CNC machining center. Here is our piston rod intelligent manufacturing demonstration workshop. This is our grinding and polishing automatic production line. Now we are in the polishing machine area. Our products are classified as hard chrome rod, hard chrome hollow rod, quench and temporary rod, introduction hard rod. They are widely used in mine machinery industry, textile and printing machinery industry, ship, wind and power industry. This is our raw material workshop. Here is our warehouse. We carried out a series of rigorous quality management systems and have already passed the ISO 9001, 2008 International Quality System. We can notice here are some of our cooperative partners.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.